If you have found the ideas that we have presented today helpful, that would be good to know.
So, just for me personally, I think it has worked to some extent when I try to negotiate and say, like, you want this, then you also have to know that the family also has certain needs and expectations of you. You want this, then I expect you to do X, Y, and Z. So,
Mm-hmm.
if you're willing to play ball, then let's
Mm-hmm.
do it. But if it's just going to be a one sided demand from you, then it's not going to
Mm-hmm.
happen. What do you think about it?
Passive and aggressive probably, are not very good for the treatment, because being
Okay.
too passive then again, gives no clue really to the other person, because they
Okay.
themselves do not have a very, sometimes the judgment might be affected, or they may not
Okay.
be able to see the consequences of their behavior. So being
Okay.
passive definitely does not help. Being aggressive also does not help, because what does that aggressive communication really mean for the family? It is, in a way, it's an indirect way of trying to control the other person's behavior, right? But especially with personality disorders, these are not people who want to be controlled. These are people who might have other problems, such as when they are feeling too highly emotional. Okay, they are looking for some sort of a validation. It's just that the way they have learned to express that is very, very maladaptive. Okay, if they want some sort of an attention, okay, they might start to threaten. Okay, they themselves are not very good at expressing their needs. Okay, so when we are responding to that in a aggressive manner, okay, we are cutting off communication, and that need just remains. So in a sense, treatment is derailed, right? Whereas if we bring it back to being a more assertive sort of a communication, that might help the person to learn what the right way to communicate looks like. In that sense, family members can be very helpful in terms of making the person almost be a model for them, that this is how it is supposed to be, right? So in that sense can be very helpful in treatment, because even in therapy, when we are trying to help somebody to um, sort of learn newer ways of coping, when that is supported by the family, when they are, let's say somebody comes up and learns a new skill, but the family member has this idea that this person is probably never going to change, and they start behaving in some aggressive form, or bringing back again certain statements from the past. Okay, then that becomes a difficult situation, a difficult combination, where the other person does not get space to practice what he has been taught, right? So
Okay.
being assertive can, in that sense, help with the treatment process very much.
Okay.